we will use some hours and get down by helicopter. Another hike with a friend. Join us on this adventure. What do you say?
With a friend. I have the VIP bear.
The VIP bear.
With the owl mittens.
What do you reckon? Is this part slippery?
No.
No.
Well, I should reconsider.
No, he said. Fell, he did. Now it's officially winter and we have a bit of snow. Whoa! How many degrees do you reckon it is?
-6 degrees Celsius.
-6. Somewhere around there. You feel it in the nose when you drag the air in. But it's all right. It's all about being dressed for the weather. It's a bit snow in the air. Do we like snow, Mr. Bear?
Yes.
Yes. Why do we like snow?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Do we like the snow because it's wet, cold, and a lot of job?
No.
No.
I hate the shovel. It's beautiful to look at.
We agree on that one.
Whoa! Begge to.
Can you remember the last time we went on a hike?
No.
No?
I can't.
Neither do I. I can remember many of our hikes, but not the last one. I guess it was when we slept by Svartkjell.
No. We're gonna hike after that.
Hike after that. I can't remember for the life of me. It was a hike, that's for sure.
Yeah, that was for sure.
While the bear is talking on the phone, I would like to mention that or originally we planned to go on the neighbor to Rønnomnibben, which is with a elevation of about 700 meters. And do you remember how far up Veslefjell is? About 700 meters or so? 750, and it was about 500-600 of hiking upwards, but with the snow and ice we didn't take the chance, so we chose a bit simpler one.
I have a challenge for you, Martin.
For me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Crawl through there and I will film you. It's a dog. It's a see-through.
It's a dog.
I started. So.
And now the owner comes to shoot us.
Holy fuck.
So we left the road and now we're on the trail. Even though it's not much snow, it's way harder to walk here. What do you think, my friend? Will the view be magnificent or will it be dull?
Hopefully the clouds will pass us. It looks like it will clear.
It looks rather beautiful.
Yeah, I think it will be perfect.
What we can see over there.
The bonfire and the view.
That will be nice.
And some coffee.
And some coffee. We need some coffee and food now, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think the worst is behind us.
I don't.
And he don't. I said think, I don't know.
We'll get
not
another one like this, I think.
I'm not bothered to check the map. Are we ready to head on?
Yep.
Yep. So previously we were tracking a dog, and now seemingly we are tracking a moose or a cow or or another large animal with hoofs. Maybe
hopefully not a cow.
Hopefully not a cow or an oxen. Whoa! You can see the snowy mountains over there. Beautiful in the sun. And we're getting blue skies too. You can even spot the moon up there. This could be fatal. And suddenly we're down in Dragdal Centrum.
I need to walk right back up.
Right back up.
Back it up, Tim.
Oh. What do we think? Is there ice underneath there or rock? What do you think?
Rock with ice.
Rock with ice. It's a bit of both, actually. But I think with the amount of ice, you're stupid if you walk there.
It's a rock slide.
It's a rock slide. Luckily you won't fall far, but you can still get pretty messed up. I think yeah, I'm sorry my friend, but I don't think I will be able to carry you all the way down. We are hiking towards the sunlight.
Yes.
Can't be far away now. Let's head on, my friend.
Her er vi de første som går. Det er isen vi går på toppen.
First then, after the snowfall. This is definitely not a winter route. It's not. Only morons who walk here in the winter. Guilty as charged. We can see the top. And this maniac suggested we should run to the top.
Run the rest.
Run the rest. You can actually see Rønnånibben over there.
And the Lye Mountains.
Lifjell. Lee Mountains. Lee is like a hill.
Sure.
Lee Mountains, hill mountains. It doesn't make any sense at all. I mentioned we are doing this with the lives on stake. Suka. This is not Sparta, that's for sure.
Come on! You can do it!
No, I can't.
Yes, you can. I will make a video of you, sir.
Actually, it's possible.
I'm glad you're showing me the route, so I don't slip and fall.
What doesn't kill you make you stronger unless you get paralyzed.
That's for sure. You will get stronger mentally, maybe.
Maybe.
But not physically. At least not in your legs.
Are we able to complain about this view, Mr.
No.
Bear? No.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
Can't wait to see it from the top.
The top is just up there. There's some icy roads ahead, but it ain't no task for us. Most magnificent thing is that the routes that we choose have like recommended season, the months that this route is recommended for. Usually they're from April or May to late October, maybe, or late September. We're here in December in the snow and ice, and yeah, it's nice. It's beautiful. Yeah.
Ja, det är det ändå. Åh, satan.
Ooh, I got snow in my pants. FIFA fo.
FIFA för fiesta.
From a scale from 1 to 32.5, how slippery is the ice? Very.
30.
30. Careful. We thought this was the top, but it's not. It just continues and continues and continues. But sooner or later it has to stop, I hope.
It's either the mountain or the heart.
So you say that's the top? It's even further. There it is, the very top. It's still quite slippery everywhere. Now we're trying to find the exact top. We think it's over here, or over there, or somewhere. We can't be far away, that's for sure. Ah. Wow. Did find it. Although I wouldn't say that this is the very top, but I think it is.
Nice.
It would have been a more spectacular view if it was less clouds. We thought that stick was the top, but according to the map, it's not. So now we're following the map, trying to find the exact top of this very mountain. It's said to be 541 meters above the sea. So why did you lay down there?
It's a top.
It's a top and I'm done walking.
I'm fucking done.
Ah, out there! I bet that's a magnificent view. Now this is apparently the very top. It even has this mailbox. This very mailbox. And the beautiful view we had just some minutes ago are now devoured by fog. Dividing the tasks. One making coffee and one preparing a small fire. A little bit of snow coming down. You can see the sun through the clouds over here. I thought you were a strong man.
Yeah.
Oh, that black gold. Or brown gold, or whatever you want to call it. It's oil. Sometimes it's thick as oil.
Are they did?
No.
Here you have some oil, sir.
Well, thank you. I'm only drinking raw oil straight from the North Sea.
Smackos.
Ah, delicious.
Ja, nå begynner ADHD-en min, vet du. Nå er jeg rastløs allerede. Fuckers. Klar for å gå ned, eller?
This is just perfect, right?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Even the sun decided to peek through and say hello.
Ja, perfect timing.
Perfect timing indeed. Although it's quite grey over at Rønnomnibben, but we got the sun.
Here comes the sun.
It's probably copyrighted. Are you hungry, Mr. Bear?
Always.
Always. I've brought some food for us. Catch! This is traditional Norwegian food.
Travel food.
Travel food or hiking meal, or it's brun lapskaus, it says.
It's brun lapskaus.
It sounds really weird. Can we call it meat stew with vegetables?
Brown glucose. Hva heter det? Den der, kaller russerne det? Goulash?
Goulash?
Brown goulash.
Yeah, maybe. Anyways, we need water and about 8 minutes and it's done.
Like this.
Now, I want to see or hear your...
Well.
It looks like dog food. But what does it taste like? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. I like it too. It's quite delicious, actually, I'll have to say. How ready are we to walk down again, Mr. Bear? Ready? One would think that a bear had some sense of direction, but no. What? Your mustache is turning to ice. Which flavor? Ice cream. Ice mustache with a flavor. It's quite cold now. We did come to the conclusion that either we are going down in approximately 1 hour, or it's 20 minutes with some sliding on our bums down the mountain side, or we will use some hours and get down by helicopter. Those are probably our 3 options. That is the 20-minute option. I have no desire to call on the air ambulance here.
Same.
So we try to keep it safe. Jeez, this is beautiful. Unfortunately, no camera can justify the view you have with your own eyes. die. Almost down. What do you say, my friend? Was this a successful hike?
Very,
Very successful.
really good hike.
And what do we want people to do if they want to see more like this?
That you know.
I know. Hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to see more like this, you press that subscribe button and notification bell as well. And I promise you that I will bring him on more hikes. See you guys around.